let me show you a few different things that you can do. If your Samsung TV has no picture on the screen, but it still has got sound. So for example, if you click your remote, you can hear some system sounds on the TV. So it appears it's working, just there isn't any picture on it. So the first thing I suggest to do is simply power cycle your TV. It will also reset it. So the way we do it, we simply grab the power cable on it and simply disconnect it completely from electricity. So simply plug it out. And then on your Samsung TV, you want to find the button, so the manual buttons that you turn on your TV. And with it being out of electricity, you simply want to hold it for at least a minute. So that will essentially discharge all the static energy and also discharge the capacitors inside the TV. And it also does kind of like a hard reset on the TV. So yeah, hold it for a minute. After you release it, after you have done it for a minute, I suggest to also leave it like that for maybe extra 5 minutes before you plug it in. So yeah, and then simply plug it in and see if the TV works now. And the next thing that you want to do, simply look at the back of your TV. And if you have something connected here, maybe your HDMI, you want to simply unplug everything from the TV. So unplug all the inputs on it and also any accessories that you have connected to it. So again, we want to remove everything except the power cable. So obviously we need the power cable. Oh, also when it comes to power cable, verify that it's actually properly seated inside. These power cables can be very easily pulled out. So you want to maybe like pull it out and plug it back all the way in. So verify that it's actually inside, because it's kind of easy to pull them out accidentally as well. So yeah, maybe there's simply nothing wrong with the TV, but maybe some input source was messing up your TV. So after you disconnect everything from it, I suggest to also do the power cycling once more. So disconnect it completely from electricity and press that power button for again a minute and then turn it on and see if it works. And then the last thing that you want to check is if your backlight is still functional on your TV. So if it's an older TV, this backlight simply can stop working essentially. So what you can do is you can simply grab a fairly strong flashlight, and then if your TV still has sound, if you for example operate the remote control, you want to take a flashlight and shine at maybe this kind of angle and see if maybe there's something on the TV, so any picture, any menus that there used to be. So if you shine your flashlight and if you can see very faintly some image on the TV, that means there's simply something wrong either with the backlight or the capacitors inside in the TV, and then obviously it has to be taken apart and actually repaired. So if that's your case, but yeah, in most cases, if you simply power cycle your TV, that most likely will fix the issue as well. Yeah, if it's not actually the backlight problem for the TV. Okay, good luck.